All right, so those were 13 splits at 25 yards. All right, so here's my shot grouping for my first set, just 6 rounds. Just working with some pretty quick splits. I did have one flyer here, and these are a little bit off to the left, but this type of group is what I'm wanting. You know, here's the A zone. That's a nice group at 25 yards with quick splits. I can feel those trending to the right just a little bit. All right, so here's my first group. My next group was right here, so I got that corrected. Working with 15 splits, which is good. Yeah, I felt that. That was a Charlie here, alpha hit. Yeah, that upper A box is giving me trouble. Those are higher than I need to be. I really want these right here. That transition was pretty slow. I was definitely not looking to the target, I was looking through the optic. Some trigger freeze on that 25 yard, and I had some makeup shots on the upper head box. Felt good. A little bit off to the left. Although I'm sure I'm just dragging through the target. That is not terrible. I can move this here and be totally fine with some pretty fast splits. Got to work on the transition aspect of that. This looks not bad. I'm not crazy about this. This is the T zone, and that's full points if you get a hit, just a single hit. That counts, but barely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So I'm all on the board. This I don't like. I was trying to group this more up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11. I think I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, that's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I did throw some extra shots. This A zone I'm okay with. That's a little off to the right. That was probably one of the makeups that I threw back here, so I'm for the most part okay with that. This needs some work. I feel like I've got this more dialed in. That was an 11 split. This was giving me some trouble. I was having trouble getting visually focused on this target. That's better. That's not. Okay. All right, that's the first group. That's the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know I shot some makeups. Got 2 Charlies. For some reason I'm biased over here, but I do have a few in the A zone. Whew. All right, there it is.